paulit-ulit, kayo ay SP holder, 3 times kayo nahuli for the speed limit, automatic, perpetual, revocation, and no SP. Hindi na kayo makapag-drive, whatever na passenger. Okay. Then, sa demerit points pa rin, yung provision for non-professional to professional. Yan. Sabi nga, kaya kayo meron 1 to 3 months. 3 to 4, demerit points, 6 months suspension. 5 or more, 1 year. A driver who is not able to complete the intervention program within 30 days from vistas apprehension after a notice has been given shall have his driver license suspended until he is able to attend the required course. Sabi nga, may, the Commissioner of the Land Transportation of his deputies may at any time examine and inspect many motor vehicles, determine which whether such motor vehicle is registered or is unsightly, unsafe, overloaded, improperly equipped, unfit to be operated, possible, and high risk. Kaya nga, kung mas tayo nagdadrive, expect the unexpected if tayo ay pinara ni law enforcer. Pag po, sometimes tayo ay parang enforcer to inspect po yung inyong sasakyan. Kung capable pa ba siya pakakuin sa kalsada. Yan po yung mga number 1 na dine-check. If sa tingin nila yung medyo hindi na, yan, pag timara, maparahin kayo na sa kalsada. Check yung mga behavior. Persuasive, preventive, and punitive. Yan, persuasive, information, education campaign, preventive, employment of traffic enforcement of the road, then punitive is the payment, fine, and penalties na violation. Only LTO, traffic enforcer, and its deputies are allowed to confiscate driver license. Yan. Kaya nga, minsan, pag may LTO na katayo sa corner, ilang dumiretso. Kasi nga, pag kung LTO at sa SPG, automatic pinag-discount nila yung driver license. Sila daw po yung pwedeng mag-discount yung driver license. Si traffic enforcer, wala po silang karapatan na i-discount yung driver license. Kaya si traffic enforcer, nangyayari, binibigyan lang kayo ng ticket. O ticket lang pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. Si LTO at si SPG, automatic, bigyan ka ng ticket, confiscation pa rin naman yung driver license. Yan. Sa EOP, sabi niya, receipt for a driver license, confiscated, notices of more, temporary driver license for 72 hours, 5 days to contest, days to settle others, 30 days suspension. Yan. Ito yung itsura ng TOP na ini-issue ni LTO at sa SPG. Wala yung ticket na yan, bibigyan kayo ng 5 days to contest. If ever kayo ay may reklamo, delays in yung demerit points yan. If ever wala kayo reklamo, kailangan daw po after 15 days, mabayaran niyo yung penalty or else magkakaroon kayo ng after 20 days ng suspension. Yan. As long na dito sa TOP ito, tama po yung inyong binigay sa inyong demerit points. Kaya, dito yung gusto mong boxes na yan, baka lahat ay may check. Kapag kung ano pa lang po yung violation nyo, yun lang po yung may check na sa inyo sa binigay sa inyong ticket. Then, ito lang yung ticket na binibigay sa inyo ni MMDA. Yan. Then, ito lang yung ticket na binibigay ni local government. Okay. Then, ito lang yung citation ticket na binibigay ni traffic enforcer diri sa Davao. Usually, nabibigyan ng ticket niya kapag illegal parking. The Land Transportation Transportation Office shall serve as the central repository of all traffic violation record yan. Kaya kung meron pa yung traffic violation at namumit ng bawat sa Luzon, yan, lalabas at lalabas pa rin sa inyo. LPMS account, ha? Na meron pa yung unsettled traffic violation sa Luzon. Yan, sabi yan ito. However, traffic agents of LGUs are prescribed from the confiscated driver license is carrying out the traffic law enforcement activities unless they are duly deputized by the MMDA within Metro Manila. Meron din naman itong mga ilang MMDA na duly deputized po ni LTO na pinukumpisa ng inyong driver license. Kaya sa ID nila, sila isang deputized, makakumpisa yung driver license. Any additional violation, if ever kayo ay nabigyan na ng ticket, sabi nga, nakagawa ulit yung panibago, kaya dadagdagan ng ulit ng another ticket ulit yung inyong violation. Hindi ko isasama sa isang damo ng POP, idadagdag ulit sa another ticket ulit sa inyo. For apprehension involving unregistered motor vehicle, the fine shall be 10,000 plus 2,000 for the reckless driving pursuit plus section 1. Sabi nga, ang ating unregistered motor vehicle is 10,000 po ang penalty. Then, pupunta sa vehicle nyo na unregistered, kayo ay nag-drive ng isang unregistered motor vehicle, automatic ang kaso nyo ay reckless driving. Kapag reckless driving, 2,000. Kaya all in all, bali 12,000 ang anyong babayarang penalty if kayo ay nag-drive ng isang unregistered motor vehicle. Relationship with other agencies. Yan, sabi nga, si DOTR is the mother of all primary policy planning, programming, coordinating, implementing, regulating, and administrative entirety of executive branch of the government, the promotion of development, regulating, deployment of the operator of transportation. Si DOTR, siya po yung pinaka-mother ng all agencies. Kaya, binigyan niyo ng bawat kategory si LTFRB para mag-certify ng convenience of the franchising the public utility vehicle of including enforcement of the public service. Yan. Tapos, nasay naman ni DOTR, si DPWH para sa mga responsible for the road engineering, infrastructures and road coordinating of maintenance, kaya yung mga pagsisira ng mga kalsada, yan. Si DPWH po yung nangangasiwa dyan. Si PNP, si SPG, sila naman yung pagkapatupad ng law enforcer, yung pagkapatupad ng traffic rules and regulation. Si DLNR, partner nila para sa Republic Act number 8749, yun yung tawag natin yung mga emission test. Yan. Sa mga anti-smoke belching, yan. Nakakasiwa po niya si DNR. Then, si MMDA, yan, kapatulog po yan ni LTO para sa pagkakatupad ng mga traffic rules and regulation sa kalsada. Okay. Then as a pre-driving orientation with other vehicles is part of operated operation. B1. Okay. Sa ating motor vehicle. Sabihan dito. Yung ating motor vehicle, meron pong dalawang classification. Sabi meron dito ang ating manual and automatic. Yan. Sa manual kasi, meron po yung tatlong pedals. Si automatic, meron na siya isang pedals. Kaya nga, lagi sa manual, yung ating left foot, o lagi gas yung gamit niya. Yung right foot naman, brake and gas pedal. So automatic naman, ang ang ginagamit lang natin dito, yung right foot lang natin. Yung right foot lang para sa brake and gas pedal. Or gas accelerator. Yeah. Brakes. Accelerator or gas pedal. Then, yung ating tinatawag na clutch pedal. At simango lang po yung merong clutch pedal. Yan, yung gear natin, yan, ito yung ating mga gear. Meron tayo dyan neutral, reverse, R, D, drive, P, park. Yan. Ayan yung ating transmission sa automatic. Tatandaan nyo, kasi yan yung transmission sa automatic. So, yan yung number 1 na tinatanong ko pag nag-start ako ng PDC sa driving. Yan. Automatic kasi tinuturo ko, kaya alam ko kung ano yung tinuro ko sa hindi. Ano? Kaya, once na ako yung nagturo ng automatic, yung aking kung dinidiscuss dito, tinatanong ko ulit doon sa estudyante ko sa automatic transmission. Usually kasi ako yung nagtuturo sa automatic. Then, meron tayong headlamps sa ating sasakyan. Rear signal light sa likod. Front signal light. Yan. Yan naman pag gumamit ka ng rear signal light sa front signal light, nagsasabay po sila. Then, yung ating brake light. Yung brake light naman, wala namang brake light na umiilaw sa harap. Lahat po ng brake light sa likod lang. At wala din ibang klaseng ilaw na brake light maliban sa kulay pula, sa red. Ano? Then, hazard warning light, yellow light pa rin, ilaw. Then, ang reverse light naman ay kulay puti. Then, ating doors, engine hood, luggage compartment hood. Then, ating fuel tank count. Okay. Then, tires, engine and transmission, luggage and joint, muffler and silencer, rear axle and differential, steering wheel, ignition switch. Then, aming size ng ating mga gulong. Meron tayong T, passenger cars, LT, yung light truck, ST, yung special trailer, E, yung temporary, usually yung 235 by 75 by 15, yung size ng mga gulong. Meron sa 15, 17, 13, yung mga size ng gulong. As long na yung apat na gulong, siyempre, pantay-pantay, para pag 15 yung apat. Hindi pwedeng magkakaiba ng size. Kailangan 15 lahat. Kasi kung tumakbo siya, pantay. Then, headlight switch. Headlight switch, ito na naman. Headlight switch natin. Ito yung headlight switch. On. Off. Ito yung hihit natin. Ito yung ating headlight switch. Off. On. Off. On. Then, signal light switch. Left. Right. Down. Left. Down. Off. Na. Right. Up. Then, the wiper switch. Ito yung wiper natin. Sa right side. Ito yung sa wiper. Then, meron tayong child lock na nasa gitna dito. Power window switch. Parking brake lever or it was known as the handbrake.